If you are over 60 years old, please don't skip this video. What I'm about to share could quietly determine whether you stay independent in your own home or slowly start avoiding parts of it. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing at the bottom of your staircase. You've climbed these stairs thousands of times in your life. You know every step, and yet now, just looking at them creates hesitation. Your knees feel stiff. Your ankles feel tight. Your hand reaches for the railing before you even realize it. That moment of hesitation is not weakness. It's not laziness. And it's not just aging. It's your body losing specific movement patterns that stairs demand, and no one ever teaches you how to rebuild them. Here's the shocking truth. Most doctors look at muscle strength alone, but research now shows stair difficulty is rarely about raw strength. It's about coordination, timing, balance, and control. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Medicine followed adults with an average age of 76 who lived independently. Researchers expected to find weak leg muscles. They didn't. Instead, they discovered participants had lost precise movement patterns that tell your brain when to stabilize, when to push, and when to control descent. And when those patterns were retrained, stair climbing speed, confidence, and safety improved dramatically in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. This video is not about working out. It's about teaching your body how to move correctly again. Before we begin, comment below. Your one daily activity that feels harder now than it used to. Your comment helps thousands of others realize they are not alone. Now let's begin. Why stairs become difficult after 60, the real reason. Stair climbing uses 5 systems at once. Ankle mobility, calf power, hip stability, balance control, brain muscle coordination. When even one of these weakens, your body compensates by pulling on handrails, leaning forward, rushing steps, avoiding stairs altogether. Avoidance leads to faster decline. The exercises you're about to learn restore each system, one by one. Exercise 1, seated toe taps and ankle pumps. Restoring the foundation. Your ankles are the foundation of stair movement. When ankle motion stiffens, your body must overwork your knees and hips to compensate. This is why stairs start hurting, even if your legs feel strong. Research published in BMC Geriatrics, 2025, confirmed that ankle and foot training significantly improves balance, gait control, and stair safety in adults over 60. Why this works? When climbing stairs, your ankle must bend upward, dorsiflexion. With age, this motion quietly stiffens until stairs suddenly feel impossible. This exercise restores that motion. How to do it? Sit in a sturdy chair. Feet flat, hip width apart. Part 1, toe taps. Keep heels down. Lift toes upward. Lower slowly. Do 15 reps. Part 2, ankle pumps. Lift one foot slightly. Point toes downward. Pull toes back toward shin. Do 10-15 reps per foot. Combine both movements. Prescription. 3 sets. Twice daily. Move slowly and deliberately. This exercise reduces morning stiffness and prepares your ankles for the rest of the program. Exercise 2, tandem stance with weight shifts. Rebuilding balance where it actually matters. Most balance exercises fail seniors because they don't train weight transfer. Every stair step requires standing on one leg, shifting weight forward, staying stable during movement. A review in Exercise and Sport Sciences reviews showed that dynamic balance training reduces fall risk far more than static balance. How to do it? Stand near a wall or counter. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe. Stand tall. Hold for 30 seconds. Now add movement. Slowly shift weight forward. Slowly shift back. Progression. Weeks 1-2, hold stance only. Weeks 3-4, add weight shifts. Week 5+, brief eyes closed practice. This retrains your brain's balance centers, not just your legs. Exercise 3, standing hip abduction. The hidden stability muscle. Your hip abductors prevent side-to-side wobbling during stairs. A large 2024 Northwestern University study found hip abductor strength was the strongest predictor of stair confidence. Weak hips equals grabbing handrails. How to do it? Stand tall next to support. Shift weight to one leg. Lift the other leg out to the side. Keep torso upright. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Common mistake. Moving too fast. Speed removes effectiveness. Prescription. 10 reps per side daily. Add resistance band after 2 weeks. This exercise protects you from sideways instability, the most common cause of stair falls. Exercise 4, step downs with tempo control. Training safe descent. Most falls happen going downstairs. Harvard researchers discovered controlled step downs improve stair safety twice as much as step-ups. Why? Descending stairs requires eccentric muscle control, muscles lengthening under load. This declines faster with age than strength itself. How to do it? Use a 6/8-inch step. Stand on step. Shift weight to one leg. Slowly lower opposite foot over 3 seconds. Lightly touch floor. Push back up. Keep chest tall and knee aligned. Prescription. 8 reps per leg. 3x per week. Rest days matter. This exercise rebuilds confidence where fear is greatest. Exercise 5, heel raises with isometric hold. The Stanford breakthrough. This movement changed how researchers understand stair power. Stanford University discovered heel raises with 3-second holds dramatically improve stair speed and confidence. Why this is so powerful? Your calves provide up to 40% of stair climbing force. But aging reduces fast twitch fibers unless specifically trained. The hold at the top preserves them. How to do it? Stand on a step. Rise onto toes as high as possible. Hold 3 seconds. Lower slowly for 3 seconds. Pause briefly at bottom. Progression. Weeks 1-2, double leg. Weeks 3-4, add single leg. Week 5+, single leg only. Frequency. Every other day. After a short walk. This is the single most important exercise for stair independence. How these 5 exercises work together. Each exercise targets a different system. Ankles right arrow mobility. Calves right arrow power. Hips right arrow stability. Balance right arrow control. Brain right arrow confidence. Together, they rebuild the entire stair climbing pattern. Total time. Stopwatch less than 20 minutes every other day. Final message. Researchers now agree on one hopeful truth. Age-related decline in stair ability is not inevitable. In most people, it is reversible. Not with machines. Not with extreme workouts. But with targeted, intelligent movement. So here's the question I want you to answer below. Backhand index pointing right. When was the last time you climbed stairs without fear? If this helped you, like the video so others can find it. Subscribe for weekly senior mobility videos.